How to edit your products on AutoDS. In the drafts page, you have an option to edit your items. You can choose to do so one by clicking on the arrow button next to each item or by clicking on the picture. You will see the drop-down item edit mode where you can edit the product's title, collection, tags, country location, stock monitoring, price monitoring, auto ordering, and so forth. You can edit the description, the item's variants, the product's pictures, the item specifications, and then you can either choose to save the draft or import it. Once you import it, it will move to the product section, AutoDS will monitor it, and it will show up in your store. The next option to edit your items is by choosing them in bulk instead of doing it one by one. For example, let's choose 1, 2, and 3. You'll see that you have 3 items selected and the link to edit all of them. When I click on that and the plus add item to edit, you'll see the options that you'll have to make changes in bulk. For example, the break even, the profit, you can round each price to 0.99 cents, for example, and all sorts of other options. For example, let's say that we want to change the tags for all of the items. You can choose whether you want to choose an existing tag or add a new one. So let's say that this is a hygiene niche. So we want to create a new tag called hygiene. Click on that and it'll create the tag. So let's go with the hygiene niche, update that tag for those 3 items that we chose in bulk. And then you'll see that the drafts were sent to be updated and have been successfully updated. Up here you can see the bulk update, 3 out of 3 items that finished. Click on view details. You can see the 3 products over here, when they were created, when the bulk change was created, the source item ID, where each item is coming from. So you can see that they are coming from 3 different suppliers. They're all being uploaded to the same store, AutoDS Demo 3 for this example. And the status was complete, the status of adding tags, hygiene for these 3 products. That sums up how you can make bulk changes in the drafts page. Keep in mind that making bulk changes in the products page is practically the same. You can choose whether you want to make the changes in bulk and then make a bulk edit, just like we saw on the last screen, or do them one by one. Only in the product screen, when you click on the image, you'll be taken to a full page item edit mode. Everything else is practically the same. Only after you make your changes, you hit the save button, and then whatever changes you made will sync with your store and with AutoDS. That sums up how you can make changes in bulk and in regular one by one edit mode. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. I will personally answer them one by one. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with all of the cool stuff that we have going on in the dropshipping world and all of the cool features that we have coming up in AutoDS.